Right, in a second I'm going to show you the laziest way to make money online for beginners. If you've got a full-time job or you're just playing idle, you don't have much time on your hands, or you just can't be bothered, it doesn't matter. I'm going to show you something where you can make a regular income where they do all the heavy lifting for you. It doesn't matter if this is your first day online and you can barely operate your computer. They do most of it for you, so you don't have to struggle. Now, before I get into it, smash that subscribe button, click the notification bell, and we'll get right into it. Now, the program I'm involved with is called OLSP Academy. Now, I cannot recommend this program enough. The reason being is because the guy behind it, Wayne Crowe, he bends over backwards to help people make money online. He puts his members first. It doesn't matter if you've never had any experience with making money online before. He helps you all the way, him and his team. They have so much support and training, it's incredible. And you can get access to this training for free. Now, let me just show you what OLSP Academy is all about. Now, when you click on the link below this video, there'll be an opt-in page. Enter your email address, use a correct email, a valid email, but as they'll send you your login details, okay? And you get access to the training academy completely free. Go through the units. Now, these units are short and to the point. Just videos showing you exactly what to do and how to do it. Okay, now this is to set up your account, so basically they can help you get the money, because what they do, they send the traffic to you. They build your business for you. They follow up your leads. They generate the leads for you. They have different traffic sources where they send all that traffic and share it out between the members, and they follow up with the leads. They do weekly lives. Any sales on the lives, you get commissions for. If anybody on your team buys anything on from the lives, you get the commissions for them. You don't have to be there on the live yourself. You could be at work, or you could be in bed asleep. It doesn't matter. They do it. They're doing it on your behalf, and you get the commissions. Go through these training units. Each one, they're very short videos, as I said, and then that will unlock your members area, and you'll get access to the Facebook group. Now, in the Facebook group, I'm in the Facebook group here, and as you can see, there's 130,000 members. And some of them have been posting their certificates. You get a certificate when you finish the OLSP Academy. They've been posting their earnings, $20 there, 114 there, 4,000 odd there, nearly $2,000 there. As you can see, people are earning different amounts. Over $1,000 there, over $300 there, over $21,000 there, $337 there. It just goes on and on. Not only that, you will see posts like this. Let me show you this. They post these daily. This is July the 11th, a couple of days ago, and these are some of the commissions members have made. I'll scroll down, keep scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling. Okay, so as you can see, this is working, guys, and it's free to get started. I cannot recommend this enough. I know I've said that before, but I don't care if you're a complete beginner trying to make money online. It doesn't matter. These guys will help you. They have weekly questions and answers. You can jump on these live calls when they'll answer all your questions. They have what they call huddles. I think they do them 2 or 3 times a week now, and those are you get onto a Zoom. You don't have to have your camera on. You don't even have to speak, and you kind of like work together. And if you've got any questions or you're stuck on anything, there's someone there who will help you. Sometimes I'm on them, sometimes Wayne's on them, or there's always some other members there that are more advanced than you that will help you, all right? And it's just a great community to be part of. So stop going for these hyped up, make $1,000 every minute by pressing a button, all that crap. Get involved with something that's going to last and is legitimate, and that is going to genuinely make you a good income, and that you'll be proud to be a part of, because this is an amazing system backed by a ton of proof and some fantastic members who are there to help you along the way. Now, that brings me on to what I can do for you. I have my own Facebook group for my action takers on my team. I'm the top earner in OLSP. This is what I've earned so far, $62,700. I can help you make regular income. I can show you what to ignore and what to focus on, and you can basically copy me, what I do. If you do exactly what I do, you will get results. No ifs, no buts, you will get results. So make sure you're on my team. Click the link below. If you're not sure, if you think you might be cooking to somebody else, just clear your cookies and then click the link below. Okay, make sure you're on my team, and within the members area you are able to contact me. All right, so send me a message. Hi, I've just signed up from your YouTube video, whatever, and I will hook you up with my private Facebook group, and I'll tell you what to focus on and basically fast track you to making some commissions. All right, if you've got any questions, leave them below this video. I'll answer all questions. But guys, if you want to make money online, whether you're a beginner, whether you're lazy, whether you've got a full-time job or part-time, it doesn't matter. Just get involved with this incredible program. If you want to make money online, or if you want to make a full-time income or part-time income, it doesn't matter. Just a bit of money on the extra money on the side. There's something for everybody inside OLSP Academy. It's how you want it, where you want to take it. But you've got to take the first step. Sign up. Click the link below this video. Get signed up. Go through the OLSP Academy. Get your certificate, and then contact me, and I'll add you to my group, and I'll make sure you're on the right track to earning these commissions. All right. If any questions, leave them below in the comments. Let's get busy. All right.